Ukraine has been facing a multitude of challenges in recent years, including ongoing conflict in the eastern part of the country, political turmoil, and economic hardship. The country has a lot of work to do in order to recover and rebuild, but one solution that could help is the adoption of solar energy. Before we start, we would like to welcome you to this YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's dive into the details of how solar energy can help to build up Ukraine and bring sustainable growth to the region. The need for clean, reliable energy. One of the most pressing challenges in Ukraine is the need for clean, reliable energy. The conflict in the eastern part of the country has resulted in damage to the energy infrastructure, making it difficult for communities to access the energy they need to rebuild and recover. Solar energy offers a solution to this problem, as it provides clean, reliable, and low-cost energy that can be installed quickly and easily, even in remote and hard-to-reach areas. Rebuilding the energy infrastructure. Rebuilding the energy infrastructure in Ukraine is essential for the country's recovery and future prosperity. Solar energy can play a critical role in this effort by providing clean, reliable, and low-cost energy to communities that have been impacted by the conflict. The installation of solar panels and other related technologies can also provide jobs and stimulate economic growth in the country. Improving access to electricity. Access to reliable electricity is essential for communities to rebuild and recover, but many areas in Ukraine still lack this basic necessity. Solar energy can help to address this issue by providing a source of power that can be installed quickly and easily, even in remote and hard-to-reach areas. This will give communities the energy they need to power homes, businesses, schools, and hospitals, and to support economic growth and development, creating jobs and boosting the economy. In addition to providing energy, the use of solar energy can also create jobs and stimulate economic growth in Ukraine. The manufacturing, installation, and maintenance of solar panels and other related technologies can provide employment opportunities and support the development of a thriving solar industry. This will not only provide a source of income for people in the country, but it will also help to diversify the economy and make it more resilient in the face of future challenges. Supporting agricultural development. Agriculture is an important industry in Ukraine, and access to reliable energy is essential for its growth and development. Solar energy can play a key role in supporting the agricultural sector by providing energy for irrigation systems, water pumps, and other critical agricultural infrastructure. This will help farmers to be more productive, grow more crops, and increase their incomes, which in turn will help to support the growth of the agricultural sector and the economy as a whole. Supporting renewable energy development. The adoption of solar energy can also support the development of other renewable energy sources in Ukraine. This will help to reduce the country's dependence on fossil fuels and make it more energy independent. In addition, the development of renewable energy infrastructure will create jobs and stimulate economic growth, which will help to support the recovery of the country. Addressing energy poverty. Many people in Ukraine still live in energy poverty, meaning they lack access to reliable energy. This makes it difficult for them to power their homes, cook their food, and heat their water. Solar energy can help to address this issue by providing a source of power that can be installed quickly and easily, even in remote and hard-to-reach areas. This will help to improve the quality of life for people in the country and support the growth of communities and the economy as a whole. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Ukraine is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and reducing these emissions is essential for the country's recovery and future prosperity. Solar energy can help to reduce emissions by providing a clean and renewable energy source that does not produce harmful pollutants. This will help to improve air quality, protect the environment, and support and fight against climate change. Increasing energy security. Energy security is a critical issue for Ukraine, and the country needs to ensure that it has access to reliable and affordable energy to support its recovery and growth. Solar energy can help to increase energy security by providing a source of power that is not subject to price spikes or supply disruptions. This will help to ensure that the country has the energy it needs to support its citizens and its economy, even in times of uncertainty. Encouraging investment in the energy sector. The adoption of solar energy can also encourage investment in the energy sector in Ukraine. This will help to improve the country's energy infrastructure, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth. In addition, Investment in the energy sector will help to support the development of new technologies and make energy production more efficient and sustainable. This will benefit not only Ukraine, but also the wider region and the global community as a whole. Supporting decentralized energy production. Solar energy is well suited for decentralized energy production, meaning that energy can be generated at the local level, close to where it is needed. This is an important factor for communities that have been impacted by the conflict in Ukraine, as it provides a source of power that is not subject to disruptions or supply chain issues. Decentralized energy production will also help to improve energy access in remote and hard-to-reach areas, which is essential for the growth of communities and the economy as a whole. The benefits of solar energy. Solar energy is one of the cleanest and most renewable energy sources available, making it a smart choice for a country looking to rebuild after a period of conflict and upheaval. By harnessing the power of the sun, Ukraine can reduce its dependence on fossil fuels, lower its greenhouse gas emissions, and save money on energy costs. In conclusion, the adoption of solar energy can play a critical role in helping Ukraine recover and rebuild after the war. As we have seen, there are many benefits to this approach, including reduced dependence on fossil fuels, lower greenhouse gas emissions, improved access to electricity, job creation, and economic growth. By investing in solar energy, Ukraine can create a more sustainable and prosperous future for its citizens, while also addressing critical issues such as energy poverty and energy security. Solar energy is well suited for the unique challenges faced by Ukraine, as it provides a source of power that is not subject to price spikes or supply disruptions. This makes it an ideal solution for communities that have been impacted by conflict and need reliable access to energy. Additionally, the decentralization of energy production that is possible with solar energy is particularly important, as it ensures that power is generated locally, close to where it is needed. In order to fully realize the benefits of solar energy, it is important for Ukraine to adopt a comprehensive and integrated approach to energy development. This will require investment in renewable energy infrastructure, supporting policies and regulations, and education and training programs to support the growth of the sector. However, with the right approach, the benefits of solar energy will be many, including improved air quality, environmental protection, and economic growth. The adoption of solar energy is not just an opportunity for Ukraine, but for the wider region and the global community as well. By supporting the growth of renewable energy in Ukraine, we can help to create a more sustainable and equitable future, while also addressing the pressing challenges of climate change and energy security. With a strong commitment to solar energy, Ukraine can help to lead the way in creating a cleaner, more sustainable future for us all. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the power of solar energy. We hope you've enjoyed learning about how this renewable source of energy can help Ukraine recover and grow. If you're interested in learning more about sustainable living and renewable energy, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, stay green and stay curious.